don't know, I'm kind of digging the squat. What do y'all think?
Oh, that motherfucker. What? It's stupid.
He could ride the tire.
What? Hey, you're excited as right now.
Oh, yeah, I am.
This motherfucker squatted his Hummer.
How many Hummers do you know that are squatted?
A little bit of cold start action. Everybody likes a good cold start, right? We just dropped a new podcast on the channel. If you guys haven't seen the new podcast channel, at Lifted in the A on Instagram and YouTube. We're dropping bangers every Friday. New bangers every Friday. We're headed to the tent shop tonight. We're gonna go chop it up with the boys. I think Nick's putting some crazy tent on his big jacked up, big wide fucking truck. And I think Thomas squatted his Hummer, which I've never seen that before in my entire life. So we're gonna head over to the tent shop, see what the fuck's going on. I don't know, I'm kind of digging the squat. What do y'all think? I've actually got a lot of comments of people that like it and a lot that people don't. So let me know in the comments. What do you think? What do you think of the squat? I don't know. I'm kind of back and forth whether I like it or not. Oh, it is.
Oh, that motherfucker is what?
What is it? What is it?
It's stupid.
Dude, he could ride the tire. He could ride the tire.
What? Hey, you're excited as fuck right now.
Oh, fuck yeah, I am.
So tell me what you did.
I just took my 2-inch blocks out.
This motherfucker squatted his Hummer.
How many Hummers do you know that are squatted?
I mean, my shit's squatted, but it's
I don't know any Hummers that are squatted.
I know of one.
you
Look,
can't
here it
squat
is.
like me, Thomas.
He really took the blocks out of this damn
took
thing.
the blocks out of this hoe.
It's a Hummer, not a Tahoe. Come on now. He really took the.
Let me turn the hot lights on.
He really. Look, so maybe get 8 inches.
You see our new team logos, man?
Yeah, I mean he really sent that shit.
What's up?
It kind of looks good though. I'm kind of fucking with it. I'm kind of fucking with
I
it.
kind of fuck with it too, to be honest.
I'm kind of fucking with it. What do you think?
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
Dude, for some reason it's stiffer in the rear now. It's weird.
Oh, it's gonna be, yeah.
Like,
Because you're putting a lot of pressure on those springs now.
yeah.
It's like not even that bad. Like
Mine's the same way. Look how much travel I have. Oh, you can't even see. You can't even see them.
With a monster truck.
Normally you can see how much travel I have on the shock, but you can't even see. It's too low. Yeah, look.
I'm going back inside. It's fucking cold.
Look how much travel I have on my shock right there. That's not a lot. That's maybe 2 or 3 inches. This much travel on the shocks.
Just hit the 2-inch blocks out, yeah. And then we're color matching the grill and the mirrors.
But we can't forget, I mean, the only truck that's not gay right now. Fish bowling, motherfucker. Nick's truck is crazy though. The last video we did got like almost 10,000 views too.
Are you going to the beach tonight? I didn't even know there was one until he told me about it.
I know y'all. If y'all are probably going, he can go with you. I can't go because
We have a couple buddies meeting us here to go.
the old ball and chain are. No, that's all I'm gonna say. I can't go tonight. I can't go.
I recorded a video of it.
I want to go to the truck meet tonight, but yeah, we're not gonna talk about it. So, let me ask you guys: do you guys like the stars? Don't look at the doors. Don't look at the doors. Do you guys like the stars better, or the clouds? Were y'all fucking with the clouds?
I like the clouds, but I like the stars.
The clouds were too much, though. I think.
I think the clouds are too much.
If you could do it the right way, I feel like the clouds would be cool.
I mean, if the clouds are a lot thinner.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. Yes.
It was pretty fucking thick. What was it, like 6, 7?
I did it like they would do it for your wall.
Yeah.
Like if you're doing it for your wall at home, that's what I modeled it after.
Yeah.
Now if I was gonna do it for real, I would take the headliner out. It'd be a real thin layer. But I'd need, honestly, you could probably do it with the stars like that. If you did real thin cotton, you could probably do it that way.
Just like put the cotton on there and then poke the strands further into it. So
Yeah.
like a knife.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Nobody's done that on Instagram or YouTube. Nobody's done the clouds in their truck.
Probably because you're the first one to think of it.
Nah, there's no way I'm the first one to think about that.
I've never seen anyone.
I saw one person do it on TikTok, but he didn't do the stars. He just put the clouds in there. I think he did it like you, just temporarily.
Yeah.
I saw one
Must have
person
been.
do it. I don't know who it was, but
if you guys really want to see, a lot of people commented that they want to see me do that permanently, but I'm thinking about it. We'll see. I don't want to tear my headliner out just for it to not look good. So that's.
I want a tape measure.
Oh, I did the little finger thing. That's all
I
you
have
need.
one in the car.
The little finger thing is
Grab the
perfect.
tape measure.
Can you guys see the squat right here?
It draws so much different. It's weird.
It looks pretty good though. I'm not gonna lie. When you were pulling up, it's like sagging ass a little bit.
Yeah, dragging around.
Dragging ass, sagging ass, same shit, right?
Alright, let's see.
I'm kind of fucking with it.
You got a tape measure. You go to top of tire to the bottom of that fender.
About 11 and a half.
11 and a half. Oh, you got to move. There's a car coming.
Oh, there is?
7.
Not even 7. Closer to 6.5, 6.3.
So what? 4 inches of squat?
About.
Damn. 4 inches of squat. Here, do mine. Do mine.
You are. You're about the same.
7 inches? Okay, okay. 7 inches ain't bad. 7 inches is respectable. 13 inches. Wow. Wow. Squat that hoe. Are y'all liking the squat? Both the squatted shit boxes out here, and then the only good looking one. Really does not get any better to start off a video than this right here.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So it may not be under the best circumstances, but it's always great to get away and reset yourself. Take a couple days out of your life, whether it's for a good reason or a bad reason. Try and seize the opportunity to start fresh, regroup, come up with some new ideas, mentally get yourself back together, so then you can get yourself back to the grind. One of the things that we deal with as creators all the time is like a mental block, you know, being able to continuously keep going even when things aren't going your way. And it's very important to take that time sometimes and reset. So we're down here in Daytona today. We're not down here for the best reason. Christina had a family emergency. We had to come down here. So if you guys would please keep Christina in your prayers. But we came down to the beach because her dad stays on the beach. And I wanted to take this opportunity to let you guys know that, you know, you need to take a couple days and reset regardless of the consequences. Whether you're gonna lose some money at work, whether you're gonna, you know, whatever the case may be, take that time. It's absolutely necessary that you do that. Thank you guys for all the support. We've hopped off Instagram for a couple of days to just take care of some business that we need to take care of. But we're gonna come back to Atlanta and we're gonna make sure that we come back, you know, as strong as ever. So thank you guys so much for all the love and support. And we're gonna make 2021 the greatest year that anybody's ever seen. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the content. I gotta hop on the road. I got a 7-hour drive back and it's about 6 o'clock right now. So it's gonna be a long night for me. I'm gonna hop on the road. I'll see you guys next time. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.